everybody. Welcome to Scene on Your Screen, your weekly update on arts and ideas programs. My name is Elizabeth Nearing, and I am working on ideas programs this year.
And I'm Denise Santisteban, and I do everything tours.
So we're really excited to say that last night we launched our Big Read programs with the NEA with author Stephanie Burt and her book, Advice from the Lights. Check out all of that programs. She's amazing. Read the book, join our partners at the library and the Pride Center on our website.
We also have some workshops coming up. One's Let's Make a Dance. And we also have a storytelling workshop with Cynthia Rojas coming up on the 16th. And I'm going to let Cynthia tell you about the workshop. Hi, Cynthia.
Hey, Cynthia.
Hi, Elizabeth and Denise. Well, we're hoping to have a big turnout on Saturday. Our workshop is called Storytelling to Showcase Your Value. So many of us are super talented. We have superpowers and we bring great value to our organizations. But articulating that in the form of a story that people are captivated by is hard for us. And our hope is that by the end of the workshop, you will be telling great stories about your superpowers and the value you bring to your organization and the ones that are in your future. So join us on Saturday, May 16th from 3 to 5.
And we're continuing on with our ideas programs. On Tuesday, we have Anand Giridharadas talking about wealth and democracy, and he'll be interviewed by the one and only John Dankosky.
Oh, very cool. And we have walking tours. We have a walking tour that is the Arboretum Tour of the Grove Street Cemetery, which is the only cemetery in town. And there's about 40 different trees blooming right now. So check it out. And then take a bike ride with Elm City Cycling on Water Everywhere.
There's also music everywhere in the city. We have amazing, talented artists all over, and you can hire them to come perform for you and your neighbors, or donate to get them to go play for somebody else. And if you're an artist, you can sign up to join to be hired to perform all over New Haven. And if you're a singer, please look up our Activist Songbook Virtual Choir and join and sing with us.
And don't forget food events. We have garden cocktail party coming up with 116 Crown. Mixologist John Giannetti is going to tell us what we can grow and what we can use right out of our garden for our cocktails.
I'm so ready. I can't wait.
Yes, sir. It's almost happy hour. I know it. Check out artidea.org. Bye.